Marahay na hapon, Bicolandia, and good afternoon, Philippines! We are live here today at the UNC Sports Palace sa pagpapatuloy ng ating 2023 Pccl South Luzon Championship. It's April 22 and it's another action-packed Saturday as we witness the battle between Ateneo Golden Knights kontra the GUANG College. Ako po si Kimberly D. Alanes, sa ngalan po ni Sir Russell Senyora and Miss Christine Reyes with my partner.
And ako naman si David Joshua Bernales and kami ang inyong makakasama dito sa ating first game. GUANG College versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. And then nga partner, no, Ateneo coming out of a fresh loss kagabi
Against the San Pablo College's Ravens, but for sure to keep their chances alive here in PCCL, they will try to bounce back this time against GUANG. And GUANG coming from a fresh win against the University of Batangas last Thursday.
Yes.
Titingnan natin kung it's gonna be a second win para sa GUANG this afternoon. And now, simula na ng ating laro, Burns.
Ateneo wins that first tip-off dito. Sila ngayon nasa opensa. That's a block from Lozada. Still, the ball possession here by Ateneo. Pero, beautiful defense here by the GUANG College. Aureliano. Offensive rebound. Offensive foul here para kay Aureliano. Lozada will inbound the ball para sa GUANG. And now dito, Lozada passes to the corner. That's a three-pointer. It's good. Nothing but the net there to open up this quarter and putting GUANG on the scoreboard. Almario now with the ball. Almario naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Madridano. A three of their own. No good. GUANG on the offense. What a putback shot there by Hamias. 5-0 run by GUANG in this first quarter. Aureliano, heavily guarded by Cabilla, goes inside, passes to Madridano. Tries for a two-pointer but unsuccessful. Pojeda passes to their big man. Inside, Hamias. That's good. 2 points para sa GUANG dito. And partner, medyo nagsistruggle offensively ang ating Golden Knights in this first quarter.
Now Almario with the ball, passes to his teammate Arellano to the corner. No good. GUANG now on the offense.
Layup there by Cabilla is good. 9-0 run by GUANG. Almario. Three-pointer. That's good para kay Almario.
First basket for our Ateneo Golden Knights. Mula kay Almario. GUANG now on the offense.
Hamias penetrates. Layup. No good. Putback. Unsuccessful, but there's a foul called there by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Almario.
7 minutes and 11 seconds left on our game clock sa ating first quarter. Lamang po ang GUANG College 9 against 3. And of course, gusto po nating pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors for this year's PCCL, Naga College Foundation, Converge ICT Solution, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, 3N Bakery, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Gold Glofa Construction, Replica Printing Services at Mayon Avenue, Biteswag Catering Services, Pacific Cross Philippines and Bihag Burger, Saling Manok House of Lechon and Winner Kitchen, Nagayon Traveling Tours, NCF Driving School, AET Ads, NCF Wings, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, and wow, Worlds of Water. Guangming now on the offense.
And maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. PCCL 2023 won't be possible without your help. Pero going back dito sa ating ball game, a corner 3 by Guangming. No good. Offensive rebound dito. Tries to lay that ball, but it's no good. Ateneo now on the offense here as Arellano.
Passes to his teammate. To Almario.
Out of bounds. Bola ngayon ng Guangming. Lozada will inbound the ball. Ateneo with a full court trapping. Jamias gets the ball. Passes to Pojeda. Pojeda ngayon nagmamadali. Whistle called there by the referee.
We're still early on the game, Burns, but we can see how Guangming is making a name for themselves. Showing that great defense. 11 points against 3 sa ating first quarter.
Lozada will inbound the ball here. Passes to Cabilla. To Pojeda. Whistle here by the referee. There's going to be a foul called on Ihibem. Double foul with Madridano here. Pecolera will go inside para sa Guangming. Lalabas muna si Pojeda. Ball possession pa rin dito mga kaibigan ng Guangming. Pecolera to the corner. Inside pass. Mid-range from Jamias, no good.
And to give us an update sa mga kaganapan mula sa bench ng Golden Knights, so let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kaz. Kaz, take it away.
Magis Saturday, South Luzon, bringing you the latest news and updates from the courtside. This is Kazanja Saton, your courtside reporter in this year's South Luzon Philippine Collegiate Champions League. Yesterday, Ateneo Golden Knights lost their first game against San Pablo College. Right now, we are going to witness if they will win this match against Guangming College. Before the start of the game, Coach Nuki reminds the players of the gameplay they will try to achieve, which is 2-2-1. Pinaalalahanan naman ni Coach Nuki na itulak palabas o palayo sa ring ang big man ng Guangming College. He likewise encouraged the players to enjoy the game and give what they can give whenever they are on the hard court. That's the latest news from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to you, Kim and Joshua.
Well, thank you so much, Kaz, for that update. And from that update nga, Burns, narinig natin, it's gonna be a 2-2-1 defense para sa ating Guangming College as they go up against Ateneo. And we've also heard na they will utilize, they will maximize their big men on this first half.
And tumawag dito ng timeout si Coach Nuki from Ateneo. Try to make some changes para sa team niya dito. And because they're struggling on the offensive side, mga kaibigan, don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po ang PCCL.
We are back here at the UNC Sports Palace. It's GUANG College versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. 15 against 3 sa atin pong first quarter. Lamang po ang GUANG. And now, Ateneo on the offense. Arellano carrying the ball. Passes to his teammate. Sends back to Arellano. Almario with the ball now. Back to Arellano. Tries to get that shot. No good.
Offensive rebound dito si Almario into the hands of Aureliano. Pero bago ang lahat, partner, tawagin muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle to give us an update on the side of GUANG.
Babalikan natin mamaya si Janelle para sa kanyang update. Pero back to the ball game tayo, Burns. Eto, tumitinda na ang laro. With Gabriel carrying the ball, passes to Arellano.
Madridano. Nice shot there by Madridano. Trying to
Magandang
block.
hapon, Bicolandia. Today is the third day of South Luzon Pccl. Ngayong araw nga ay unang maghaharap ang GUANG College kontra ATENEO-Naga University. Noong nakaraang araw nga ay nagwagi ang GUANG College at kanina nga ay nabanggit Coach that this game is a very important game for them to win because if they win this game, there will be a sure slot for them in the finals. They prepared both their defense and offense and also prepared a game plan their effective against their opponent. Coach Mora added that Joshua wasn't their most valuable player but he didn't like the defense that Joshua showed the last game. This is Maria Janelle Domano and I will be reporting all the way from GUANG College. Kaya keep on tuning in sa aming Facebook pages, live broadcast, only here on GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Kim.
Great job, Janelle, for that update. Narinig nga natin, Burns, this is a must-win game para sa ating Golden Knights, knowing that they came from a tough loss yesterday against SPC Ravens. And considering with what's at stake now for the Ateneo, they really gotta bounce back and to keep their chances alive here in PCL. Sabi nga ni Coach, di ba, great defense and they really need to elevate their performance knowing that GUANG is not backing down. Looking at the scoreboard na meron tayo ngayon, look at that.
3-pointer there by GUANG. And sabi mo nga, partner, if GUANG Colleges win dito sa ball game na ito, they will now proceed to the championship match for tomorrow. But
Yes,
if Ateneo
that's
wins
right,
here,
Burns.
they'll have a triple tie against the other teams. And will have a point system analysis kung sino ba talaga ang magpuproceed sa ating championship dito. Pero going back sa ating ball game, Madridano with the ball, passes to the corner. Aureliano goes inside, shoots it. That's good, plus a foul. Chance for a 3-point play dito para kay Aureliano.
Right, as we can see, Burns, Ateneo is now trying to recover the score deficit, trying to close that gap against GUANG. It's 18 against 8 now, mga kaibigan. 1 minute and 54 seconds left in our first quarter. Lamang pa rin po ang GUANG.
Chance to put the lead by GUANG here on single digits dito sa free throw ni Aureliano. That's good. Completes the 3-point play here para kay Aureliano. Ngayon, GUANG naman ang nasa opensa. Pccl. Humingi ng screen dito. Pccl going all the way. Layup, that's good. Balik sa double-digit lead.
Gabriel now carrying that ball. Gives it to Almario. Almario trying to make a decision here but loses that ball. Picks up by his teammate. Back to Almario. Gets in the inside pass to Gabriel. Gabriel.
Scrambles for the ball. Goes out of bounds. Bola pa rin dito ng Golden Knights. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining dito. 9-point lead ang hawak ng GUANG. Almario a 3. That's short. Ball possession here ng Guangming. Valle will go inside for the Golden Knights as Almario will take a rest here sa ating hard court. Magno will go inside as well, kapalit kay Aureliano. Now, Guangming on the offense. Less than a minute remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Laktaw-taw, layup, that's good.
Ateneo now on the offense. Valle. Pass to the corner, Magno.
Fast break dito, Guangming, Laktaw-taw, layup. That's good.
Nakikita na natin, partner, ang laro ni Laktaw-taw. Getting that ball on. But now Ateneo on the offense. With seconds left on our first quarter. But a whistle is blown by the referee.
That's gonna be a foul called on Laktaw-taw. 2 shots dito ngayon para kay Valle. And first shot here by Valle. That's good. Fulgar will go also inside sa ating hard court. Hamias papalit kay Laktaw-taw here. Second shot by Valle. No good. Offensive rebound, Fulgar. No good sa kanyang try there. Pero bola pa rin ng Guangming dito with 9 seconds on the time. Shot clock is off. Pecolera. Guarded by Gabriel. Pecolera goes inside. Too strong. And that's gonna be the end of our first quarter. Kalahati ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng Guangming. 24-12 mga kaibigan. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po ang PCCL South Luzon.
mga kaibigan, it's the second quarter now. Guangming College versus the ATENEO-Naga Golden Knights. Guangming having the lead early on the game. That's good to start the second quarter. Still gets that ball and it's still good. Burns. Grabe.
What a steal there by Guangming. Easy 4 points dito to start the second quarter. And almost a steal there. Again by Hamias. 14 seconds on the shot clock for Valle dito. Passes to Fulgar. Fulgar at 3. No good, going out of bounds. Bola dito ngayon ng GUANG. Stellar performance kanina sa kanilang first quarter, as Ateneo is struggling a little here. Now GUANG on the offense. Pojeda passes to Hamias to Hanyo at 3. No good. Whistle called by the referee. That's going to be a whistle called on number 21, Bongala. Substitution here for Ateneo. Bongala will go out as Aguilar goes in. Layup there by Pojeda is no good. Offensive rebound. Hamias a layup. That's good. 6-0 run by GUANG. That's a steal by Dumalagan. Countered with a steal by his own dito for Gabriel, but goes out of bounds. Lalabas muna dito si Gabriel as Asebor will go inside para sa Golden Knights. Intercepted pass by Magno there with a steal of his own to Valle. Layup, that's good. Breaking the cold streak for Ateneo is Valle. Pojeda to Hamias. Hamias at 3. No good. Rebound here by Ihibem. Corner 3. Dumalagan, no good. It's gonna be a whistle blown by the referee. And I think the referees will be reviewing kanina yung whistle na tinawag ng isa sa mga referee natin. And remaining challenges for GUANG dito has already been consumed, as the referees will review kung ano yung nangyari kanina. 8 minutes remaining dito sa ating first half. Mataas pa rin, partner, ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng GUANG.
Yes, Burns. GUANG getting the lead early on the game. Kahit sa pagpasok ng second half, sunod-sunod agad, Burns. I mean, the second quarter.
Yes, the second quarter. 16 points ang hawak nilang kalamangan ngayon against the Golden Knights. And makikita and maririnig natin kung ano yung magiging call dito ng ating referee. And the referee is discussing kay Coach Moraya kung ano yung nangyari. And there was a foul called on Fulgar there, pushing foul against one of the players of GUANG colleges. Back to the ball game tayo dito ngayon. Inside pass there, no good. Gandang pasa sana yon from GUANG. Goes out of bounds. Ball possession pa rin nila dito. Ihibem with the ball. Finds his teammate. Hanyo, a fadeaway. No good. Offensive rebound. Ihibem, that's good. Another 2 points on the board para sa GUANG. Beautiful pass there from Ateneo. Just wasn't able to convert that point. Poheda with the ball, passes to Dumalagan. Dumalagan, inside pass to Ihibem. Floater there, no good. Rebound by Fulgar. And Valle on the offense dito para sa Golden Knights. And to give us an update, partner, on the side of GUANG Colleges, let's call Janelle. Janelle, ano ang update dyan sa'yo?
At babalikin natin mamaya si Janelle, partner. But for now, back to the ball game. Ateneo now on the offense. Passes to Fulgar. Fulgar gets that on. And now that Janelle is ready, let's hear from her. Ano bang update dyan sa GUANG College? Janelle, take it away.
GUANG College is dominating against their opponent. During the huddle, the coaching staff reminded the boys to avoid committing fouls and play hard inside the hard court. You also added to make a triple entry and do the exact same game plan, which is match up as to who you are guarding. That is the latest update here in the side of GUANG Colleges. Back to the panel.
And from the update nga, Burns, narinig natin, sabi ni Coach Moraya, gawin lang ang exact same defense na they had during the first quarter.
Yes.
For the remaining minutes ng ating second quarter, siguro napansin ni Coach Moraya na effective yun.
Oo.
With them having the lead now.
Maganda pa rin yung depensa na pinapakita dito ng ating GUANG College. And
Yes, Burns. But Coach Moraya also pointed out na iwasan ang pagkakamit ng fouls, but because
Oo.
that's gonna be that's only gonna work to the advantage of the opposing team.
and going
6 minutes left on our second quarter. 32 against 18 lamang po ang GUANG College.
and whistle blown here by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Ihibem. It's gonna be an unsportsmanlike foul on GUANG. And free throws here for and makikita natin doon yung Siko talaga tumama on Aguilar, as Aguilar will make his free throw here. No good sa shot there by Aguilar. That's good sa kanyang second attempt, Aguilar. "14 seconds on the shot clock dito. Ball possession ng Ateneo as Valle will inbound the ball into the hands of Fulgar to Asibor. Asibor now hihingi siya dito ng screen. Passes to Fulgar. Fulgar with 5. Fade away. No good. Laktaw-taw with the ball into the hands of Poheda.
And now Burns to give us an update sa side naman ng ating Golden Knights. Let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Cass. Cass, take it away.
Hi Okay, Kim and Joshua, after the first quarter, umalis na nga sina Almario, Aureliano at Madredano upang maglaro sa iba pang league. Ngunit magpapatuloy naman ang Golden Knights kahit hindi na sila kompleto. As of the moment, lumalayo na nga ang lamang ng GUANG laban sa Golden Knights. Kaya naman patuloy na nag-iisip ng maganda at epektibong gameplay ang mga coaches para matulungan ang mga players na makahabol. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Kim and Joshua.
Thank you so much, Cass, for that update mula sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And na-mention nga, Burns, ni Cass, na umalis muna ang ilang sa kanilang key players to play sa, I think there's an outside league. And with that, they really need to capitalize, to utilize the remaining players to recover the score deficit. Looking at the scoreboard right now, kasi partner, lamang na talaga ang GUANG and Ateneo. Hustles here on the court, trying to close that gap.
And
GUANG now. Kabilya, that's good.
And the timeout was called here by Coach Nuki. 40-21 ang ating score, mga kaibigan. 4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po ang PCCL.
Dito sa UNC Sports Palace, it's GUANG College kontra the Ateneo Golden Knights. 4 minutes left sa ating pong second stretch. Ateneo now on the offense. Passes to Asibor. Asibor carrying the ball. Tries to make a decision here.
3-pointer there by Monay is good. Amazing ball movement being shown here by the Golden Knights as they try to reduce the gap here made by GUANG. Pero ngayon silang nasa opensa. Lozada to Poheda. Poheda goes inside. No good with that heave. Laktaw-taw with that offensive rebound. Plus a foul. And a chance for a 3-point play. Laktaw-taw makes and completes the 3-point play. Aguilar to Asibor. Ateneo naman ngayon ang nasa opensa. Aguilar passes to Asibor. Asibor, a floater. No good. Kabilya with the rebound. Into Lozada. Lozada to the corner. Laktaw-taw, mid-range. No good. Put back there by Akinjeda is good.
That's a good putback there.
Calleja goes inside. That's a block by Akinjede. Pecolera will go inside for GUANG as Pojeda will take a short rest. Intercepted there by Luzada. Luzada, miscommunication with his teammate. That's going to be a turnover. Beltran with the ball here. Passes to Asibor. To Beltran. Spins to Asibor. A corner three. No good.
Ateneo now on the offense. Monay passes to Asibor. Asibor back to Monay. Monay passes it to his teammate. That's good. It's Beltran for that 3-point. Eto Burns, Guangming now on the offense.
Attempt there by Lactao is no good. Asibor for Ateneo. Passes to Beltran. Beltran balik kay Asibor dito. Long 3-pointer. No good. Fast break sila. Lozada with a layup. That's good. That's gonna be a traveling violation called on Calleja. Hamias will check in para sa side ng Guangming.
Less than a minute left sa ating second quarter, mga kaibigan. Guangming now. Inbounds the ball. Lozada passes to his teammate. That's going to be out of bounds. Ateneo now. Asibor carrying that ball for Ateneo.
And that's gonna be counted. Miracle shot there by Asibor is good. And a chance for a 3-point play.
42 seconds left on our second stretch. Ateneo with 27 points. Guangming with 47 on the scoreboard.
Does not complete the 3-point play here by Asibor, pero he gets a steal there. Ball now in the hands of Calleja. Calleja passes to Beltran, to Alminien. No good sa kanyang attempt. Another offensive rebound for Ateneo. Floater by Calleja. That's good. 20 seconds remaining here in our first half. Pecolera passes to Lozada. Lozada goes inside. Layup no good. Lozada no good. That's attempt there by Asibor is no good. And that's going to be the end of our first half. 47-31 ang ating score. Naibaba ng bahagya ng Ateneo dito ang kalamangan na hawak ng Guangming.
Great recovery there by Ateneo. Don't go anywhere, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po tayo para sa ating second half. Guangming College versus the Ateneo Golden Knights.